Hi guys! Good morning! So kakagising ko lang, 6 in the morning. Himala ang aga kong gumising ngayon kasi ang aga ko rin naman natulog kagabi. Masaya ako kasi ang aga kong gumising. Ibig sabihin marami akong magagawa. Maglilinis muna ako after kong kumain ng breakfast. Lalabas ako para maglakad-lakad sa park and also pupunta rin ako ngayon sa store para bumili ng pangregalo dun sa magbe-birthday kong kaibigan. Tingnan nyo guys, yung ating, kita nyo, yung rooftop. So ngayon didiligan ko yung ating halaman kasi isang linggo yata itong hindi nadiligan. Ayan, nabuhayan na uli siya. Diba? Cute-cute. Katapos ko lang maligo and then I'm going to apply my moisturizer and also my sunscreen before going outside. Nandito na ako sa labas, nandito na ako sa park, sa MTU Park. Malapit lang ito doon sa apartment ng boyfriend ko, kaya pinili ko to kasi nga malapit lang dito yung mall na pupuntahan ko. Right now, I just wanna enjoy here for a little bit, for a few hours before I go to the mall. I just want to try or to do some activities here and also I wanna enjoy the view, yung nakaka-relax na huni ng mga ibon, yung mga puno, yung ganda ng sky, sobrang ganda guys. So Let's enjoy with me, guys. I'm going to try this, guys, but it seems like it's very hard to do it. Oh my god, wala na akong lakas. Perfect ko lang stroke ko. May subukan natin. Wow! See? Oh my gosh. Oh! Wow! Oh, that's nice. Ouch! So, ito yung isa na maganda sa parks dito sa Taiwan kasi meron silang mga ganito para sa mga bata, pang-play, and also para sa mga old people na gustong mag-exercise. Tingnan niyo naman, guys. Para na rin kayong nag-gym, di ba? I'm going to leave now here, guys. By the way, this park, it's called Peace Park. This park is really, you know, relaxing. A lot of animals here, people like doing their activities, and all people are just like doing their exercise, morning routine. And now it's time for me to go to the mall and buy something for my friend.
Here, 1, 2, 2 products.
So, ayan, kakabalik ko lang dito sa apartment and I'm resting right now while drinking my fruit tea. Ayan, sobrang refreshing niya, guys. Ang sarap. Lasang-lasa yung ice cream dun sa mango nagmimix. Ang sarap, guys. The best. Anyway, guys, I'm happy now. I feel relieved and I feel I don't have any sadness na nararamdaman ngayon. Iba talaga yung impact sa akin kapag halimbawa malungkot ako and then I go outside to do something and to walk around at the park, and yung pag alam nyo naman, minsan nakakatulong yung pag-shopping para, alam nyo, maibsan yung ating pagkalungkot. By the way, guys, before tayo mag-end, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa channel ko. I know that I am just a small YouTuber. Thank you very much. Na-appreciate ko kayo. And sana wag na yung kakalimutan mag-subscribe, mag-like, and mag-share ng ating video. So, until next time, bye!